Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 74 Chevy Camaro Z28. This car was an Oklahoma car owned for the past 43 years by the same owner. So pretty cool deal. Shows 98,000 miles on the odometer. Believed to be actual, and I normally ever say that, but the previous owner told me that, who got it from people that have for 43 years, but no documentation on it. So it'll be reading exempt on the title, but according to previous ownership, is 98,000 miles. Still has original Z28 stickers on it. Looks like most original weather stripping, so showing a little cracking there. That's original belt molding. So a lot of originality. It has original smog pump. Front seat's been done for sure. I think the back seats look like they're probably original. Everything inside looks good. Automatic power steering, power brakes. Real Z28. Correct color. I mean, the door is shut. There's a little chip there on the door. The door is shut as good as any Camaro I can remember. And back in the day, I sold quite a few of these as being in the car business for 37 years. So and none of them ever shut. So there you can see the originality of the Z28 stickers. So, but has had a recent repaint. They did a nice job, got a good shine to it. So very, very nice car, and got a lot of history with it also. Matching numbers, L82 engine. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.